Hi, in this video we're going to take a quick look at how we can add and manage co-teachers in our classroom. So if you're at the home page of your classroom, you need to navigate first of all to the People tab at the top here. And having done so, you'll see that the people listed currently, unless you've added students, are only going to be your account under teachers, and we'll come to how we add students in another video. It may be that you have a co-teacher that you work with who does some of the days with your class and you do others. It may be that you have a head teacher or a principal who would like to be added to your class so they can see some aspect of work you're doing. It may also be that you have support for learning assistants that want to be members of your classroom so that they can create differentiated versions of your work and deal with those for some of your pupils with additional support needs. In any case, it's really easy to add other teachers to your classroom by simply clicking the Invite Teachers button. And from here, you would simply type in the email address of the teacher that you want to add. And that email address has to be their school domain email address, so the one that ends in our case with @stirlingschools.net. So I'll just add myself. So I've typed in Scott D01S, which is the start of my email, and that's come up here. If you don't find it highlighting the person or finding the person for you automatically, just continue to write the full email address. You should find that you're then able to select that individual. When you select the profile, you'll see that they appear at the top here now, and you can add additional people. So if you have several teachers that you wanted to add, you can do that all in one go. You simply press invite. Now, having done that, you'll see that they appear kind of grayed out and showing up as being invited, but until they actually accept the invitation, they won't appear as a full member of your classroom. So I'll just navigate over to my own classroom here, and we should be able to see the invite that's now come in. So I can see that I've been invited to teach example class here, and I can accept or decline that invitation. So I'll accept it for now. And having done so, if I come back to this space and refresh my page, we should see that Mr. Scott will now be a member of the class. Having added a co-teacher, if you use the three dots beside them, you'll see that you have a couple of options. One is that you can remove them. So if that teacher changes to a different class or they leave the school, you can remove them so they're no longer teaching the class. But also a very useful one is to make them a class owner. Now, by doing this, you transfer the ownership of that class to the other teacher and allow them the privileges to add other co-teachers and so on and manage the class. And that is really important to know if you're leaving a school at the end of a year, because it's important that you transfer that class to another teacher if they're going to be taking that class forward the following year or the following term. By doing this, you ensure that the class isn't orphaned when you leave your school and that your account is ended with the council. So do make sure that if you're ever moving on that you make the class owner somebody else who can pick up that class after you've left. That's really all there is to adding co-teachers. It's a pretty simple process. So in our next video, we'll take a quick look at how we would add our students.